CSUMB Library offers access to the database ProQuest Statistical Abstract of the United States. It is accessible from the library's list of databases linked on the library's homepage. The Statistical Abstract is a compendium of statistics on social, political, and economic conditions, as well as demographic information of the United States. From this page, you can select an annual edition. The Statistical Abstract publication actually goes back to the 1800s, and that information is accessible through other means. Just ask the librarian. On this page, you see different types of information divided into distinct sections. Clicking on a section title will open up a list of tables for that particular section. From this screen, you can do a keyword search rather than going through the different sections noted below. In this example, we will look up presidency elections in the United States. The results shown highlight the key words within the table titles. Clicking on the table title will open up the table, and here you can see that you have the ability to download as a spreadsheet or as a PDF of the whole table, or you can print or you can email the document to yourself. The fine print of the table also gives you information. This table 450, the top here tells you what was excluded and what was added, and as you go down to the bottom, there's also more information about how the data was sorted and where it came from, as well as the age. Now, the source of this information is the House of Representatives, and every table always includes a durable URL that will work regardless. And there at the very bottom is a citation in APA and MLA in case you decide to use this table in your research. Thanks for watching this quick overview of the Statistical Abstract of the United States. If you have any questions, please ask your librarian.